Bruxism is the side-to-side grinding of the teeth, and as time goes by there'll be tooth loss. We're not sure why people brux their teeth. Some people are just prone to do it. It's a way that they manifest stress. Other people get ulcers. It just depends on the person. But grinding is very common. We all tend to grind a little bit as we go through stages of sleep. So we know that in stage 1 sleep and REM sleep, we're doing some tooth grinding, and then we get past that. And that's why grinding can be so destructive in people that aren't sleeping properly.